In this video, we are going to download and install our Java setup. So first, you guys have to search on Google Java download and search it. Now here, there will be one link called Java downloads. Here, you have to click this and you have to select Java version 26, and we are going to download Java for Windows operating system. You can select the operating system based on your machine. Here I am downloading Java for Windows. We have to download Microsoft installer package. So I will be selecting the third package. Let's wait for this to download. And once this is download, we will see the exact steps to install Java inside this Windows machine. Here, I will open this file. This file is available inside my downloads folder. I will double click this executable and then I will install my Java setup step by step. I will click on next. This screen is telling me that Java version 26 will be installed inside C drive, program files, Java folder. This is the actual location of our Java version 26 installer. I will click on next. And then I will be seeing here one notification. I have to press yes, and then my installation will start. Yes. Once this is done, we have to close this installer and we can confirm the same inside C drive. There is one folder called program files. If you see just little here, you can see there is one folder called Java. Inside this folder, JDK 26 folder is available here. Yes, this is our Java 26. This is the place where we have installed Java version 26. Now we want to register this Java inside our Windows machine. So here in inside my Windows search bar, I will search here environment variables. And then I will click on this environment variables. And here we have to select environment variables. And here I will click new. I will create one variable. This variable name is Java underscore home. Here, I have to provide the location of my Java. Inside my Windows machine, I have downloaded and installed my Java inside programs file, which is again under inside Java package. And here, I will copy this address and I will paste it here so that my Windows machine can detect the Java. That's all. Same process we have to do for system variable. Here I will create another variable. This variable will hold the information about Java so that our Windows machine can utilize Java for running various kinds of application. Again, I will press OK. OK. And then we have to finally give access to the binary application. Inside bin folder, we can see there are multiple applications. Here we have one application with the name Java. This is Java interpreter. And if you see, there is Java compiler. This is Java assembler. These are the tools which we are going to use to run, to compile, or to test our Java application. So our Windows machine should be able to access these applications. So I will copy the address of this bin folder, and again inside environment variables, again I will search on my Windows machine env. This will give me environment variable. Here I will select environment variables, and inside path variable, I will register the address of my all Java applications. Same inside again, here we have to find path variable. Inside this location, we will register the address of all Java applications. By doing this, we can easily use our Java programs or these binary files.